MLYS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Mineralys Therapeutics stock is up 42%. Generally speaking, looks quite interesting, quite juicy. But let's look at it from a higher time perspective, if we haven't already. So weekly chart, I see the price is still inside a supply zone. Can you believe this? Yes, it definitely is. Why? Because it has failed to break with a full candle close above 1744. And the only thing that I'm really looking to do is buy here if the price pulls down, maybe and gives me the rules, right? Because now we're in between two mines, and when it's juicy up like this, I'm just not gonna leave money on the table by not potentially doubling down as long as the rules are met, right? Keep in mind, this has been tested by me before. It's obviously not financial advice, and please do your own due diligence. This is just my 2 cents, but that's typically how it looks like for me. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.